guys, sasali kami dito sa Mega Walk. Ang dami oh. Oh, Jerry, say hi! Hi po. Anna! Where those? It's not photos, Ian! Isha!
We're gonna take good photo. Ellie got a car. Ellie can drive us.
Yes! We can ask John. We asked John to drop us off and then we
He's not participating.
Okay, so nauna na sila kasi kami late kami. Late kaming dumating kaya ayan, nahuli kami. Pero actually hindi pa kami huli. May marami pa. Mga kasama namin oh. Marami pa oh. Si Jerry ang late kasi ang dahilan. Si Ana on time lagi yan eh oh.
Hindi kasi, hindi naman ako maaga.
Yes! See, nawala na yung banda guys. Hindi na kami nakaabot sa banda. Napagod na yung banda. Kasi kanina pa sila band ng ano. So ang dami oh. Ano kaya pa Jerry?
Kaya pa.
Still? How about you Ian? Still okay? So Peter, he started 23 kg from Hamuana. Are you still okay?
Yeah.
Yes, see? Wow! Is na yung nag-cheer. Yeah. Thank you. Lord guys.
Jerry, a water?
Kasi
May water ako.
may mga ano,
Come on, Hes.
lollies, water, and everything. Oh, di ba ang ganda ng ano ng view. Guys, oh, si Ana, si Jerry. So, start ngayon, nag-unlock na si Jerry ng kanyang healthy ano, lifestyle. Kaya magwo-walking na daw siya. So, Ian also, he unlocked his healthy wellness lifestyle. So, we're starting to join all the events here. Guys, pwede mag-swimming dyan eh. So, habang nag-walking ka sa magandang linis ng tubig oh. Oh, ayan ang nag-participants.
It is something
That's the finishing
near my
line.
tent.
It's na. They changed now. Before it's start the end point is Mitre 10, but now they changed the end point. So andun na yung iba oh. So doon ang end point namin sa malalaking almost here. So nice weather. There's a lot of people doing swimming. Oh, we made it, guys. Yes, this is the end. We made it. Where are they? We made it, guys. Guys. Yes, we made it. We done 5 kilometers walk for today. Yes, we made it.
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Doon pa yung finish.
Finish line. We are here. Yes, we are here now at finish line. Yay! Finish line.
Yeah, you need a medal. You're the big one.
Yay! We made
Well done.
it.
Congratulations, guys. Thanks for taking part today. Thank you.
Thank you. Dai! Dai! Kuha kayo medal. Ayun o. Sunod. Kuha kayo
Oh, you
medal.
got a medal.
We
Well done,
made
team.
it.
Well done. Oh, there's another.
Ayan guys, ang kaganapan ngayon dito, we done 5 kilometers and Jerry than the 2 bananas for today.
Grabe.
And how many bananas that you have?
One?
Just one.
Just one. Maybe tasty.
They just arrived. Cute.
This is alright. from the walk we eat.
They just arrived. Yay! Yan, awarding na. Best in costume and finisher. Ayan. Yes. Tayo nakakuha tayo ng medal. Umuwi na yung iba. Oh, may free din na massage. May 360. Nakuha ko ng prize, guys. Ito yung premyo ng mga 5 kilometers finisher.
Dapat may share ako nito ah.
So ayan guys, nakatapos kami ng 5 kilometers and then they have free bananas and free waters and free medal. Yay! Tapos namin. And that's it for today guys. Next time again for the next event.